Welcome to Bali. Bali is nice.
Bali is nice.
Jai Ho. Jai Ho. Jai Ho. Jai Ho.
Hi, my name is Valerie. Welcome to Bali and come see me at Bali Beer Cycle.
That's great. She's really wonderful staff and gave a very good service.
Thank you.
The way she poured the beer and way she poured the green apple Smirnoff, really amazing. Very fast, very fast. She is very experienced in that. That's great. I've seen such good service-oriented people here only. That's great. Thank you, Yad.
Thank
So
you.
nice of you. Hi, this is Harish. Welcome back to Nightlife Tours and New Trend Tours. This particular bus is called Beer Cycle in Bali. This is almost 3,000 rupees in INR. It's 2 hours drive from the LEGIAN area. They take you to so many places near the city area, something like that. And half of the way they'll take you to KUTA beach. You can see on the back. Now it's a very good sunsetting time. So the sunset is happening now. So it's opposite sunlight, so you can able to see a little bit here. So this is the area. So this is how we are exploring. It's really a nice trip, and what do you say? The payment, the worth for money. But only the thing is, the people